2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.